If you need to close your account with BNP Paribas, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the necessary actions. Step 1. Gather required information. Before we begin the closure process, collect all relevant information such as your account number, identification documents, and any outstanding transactions or balances. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to BNP Paribas customer service via phone or online chat. Explain your intention to close your account and ask for any specific procedures you need to follow. Step 3. Visit a local branch. If required, visit your nearest BNP Paribas branch. Bring your identification and any documents related to your account. A bank representative will assist you with the closure process. Step 4. Clear outstanding transactions. Ensure that all pending transactions, direct debits, and standing orders are cleared. You may need to transfer any remaining balance to another account before closure. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After submitting your request, confirm the closure of your account. Request written confirmation from the bank for your records, ensuring that there are no future liabilities. Closing your account can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Make sure to keep all documentation for your records and to avoid any future complications.